Hi everybody, today I'm going to show y'all how I did this pink and purple shimmery eye. So first I'm putting on my favorite Juice Beauty oil. Primer goes next. So I'm applying my YSL liquid foundation that has SPF in it with the Bare Minerals smoothing brush. And then I use a damp Flawless Pro blender to blend and smooth it all in. Okay, so next concealer needs to be applied to your under eyes and the highlighted areas of your face. Blend the concealer in with a small, soft blending brush. Set all of the areas where you applied concealer with a lighter colored setting powder. Now I'm tapping on a warmer color to the outer edges of my face. So before I contour, I like to add a bronzing powder just to the outer edges of my face to add a little warmth. Today I want a little more drama, so I'm using a contour stick before I apply contour powder. So I'm keeping it pretty light and simple because I'm going to go in with a contour powder afterwards. And then blend the cream contour with a blending brush. I like to blend cream contours with an angled brush first, and then I'm going to go in with a sponge and just tap it all in. Make sure your jawline is blended really well so it looks seamless. So at the end, make sure all that cream contour is blended in really well. Next, I'm going to set the cream contour with contour powder. This is probably one of my favorite contour palettes. It's warm tone, not cool tone. The powders blend so well. It's made for olive tone skin and medium tone skin. Next, add the highlighted powder color to the tips of your nose, your under eyes, and wherever else you want to highlight. Okay, so this is blush number 1. It's really bright, but it looks so good for the look I'm doing. I'm adding a lighter color blush just to the apples of my cheek. Okay, I'm using my all-time favorite eyebrow powder by Anastasia to create natural looking eyebrows. Next, I'm darkening and defining the eyebrows even more with a really thin pencil. I like to set the eyebrows in place with a gel. Okay, so now onto the eyes. First, I'm applying this smooth canvas eye primer all over my lid. So first, I'm going to blend in a light warm tone shade to the crease of my eye. I like to extend this color further out so my eyes are more elongated. And then do the same with the other side. Next, I'm going to apply light pink right under the light brown color. And blend it into the lower lash line. I love this palette, it's so fun. I'm applying that hot pink color to the outer corners and then the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm bringing that color down to the lower lash line as well. With my fingers, I'm brushing on the shimmery mauve color from the palette just in the center of my eye. So now I'm tapping on this beautiful bright purple color to the outer edges of the shimmery color. And make sure you're tapping it on so you get really, really precise. And then I'm just lightly tapping it down to the bottom. I'm adding a little dark brown to the bottom lash line just to warm it up. This light creamy color goes right under the brow bone. Last, I'm applying a light shimmery pink color to the inner highlight. I'm applying this eyeliner pencil to the top and bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna thicken up that top eyeliner with a gel by just tapping it on. So I'm using a liquid eyeliner to sharpen the top liner and also to wing it out. I love wing liner. The way I apply it is really small movements and I just keep building up the wing. You want to use a really light hand, especially at the points. I'm applying shimmer just on the areas that I want to highlight. Mascara goes on next to the top and bottom lashes. For today's look, I want to keep the lips pretty neutral, so I'm using a nude color lip liner all over. And then this light pink, almost sheer lip gloss from Milani is going to go on top. Setting spray at the end finishes the look. All right, that's it. I hope you like the look and see y'all next time.